In this video, I'm going to show you how to be okay at taking apart a pallet. Do you have a pallet wood project you've been wanting to do, but you just haven't gotten around to taking the pallets apart? Hello, what's up and servus? My name's Simon Mack, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you a few different methods of how to take these pallets apart. There's a few methods. You could chop it all up with a sawzall, reciprocating saw. You can use a hammer and a pry bar. You can use a sledgehammer or a big axe. Or there's a pretty cool method using a couple of cut-offs of a 2x4s. Alright? Pry bar and hammer. You want to get in from the sides. Go this way. However, doing this, there's a good chance you're going to be cracking the wood. Just like that. Not a method I would recommend, and it takes the most effort. Depending on how warm or rocky your wood is, you might be able to get it off. There you go. And then we've just got that one nail to pull. Oh, 2 nails. Get those nails out, put it close to some support so you don't break the wood while hammering. I recommend doing one at a time, otherwise the other one gets in the way, and you can bend the hammer to the side. That's an easier way to pull the nail than back. This method, you place these woods alongside, like so, one on this side, one on this side. Use this to brace the wood, knock it loose from here. Works really nice in somebody else's YouTube video, but this one's pretty stuck, so try that another time. Not budging. Next method, sawzall. Yes! 2 ways we can do this. Chop off the nails, like so. That was pretty easy. Whoa! Or you could take off the wood like this. We can try this method again here. See whether these will budge. Do this way. There we go. There we go. If you have a sledgehammer, once you've taken off one side, flip it over, knock through to the other side. Next method.
If you'd like, you can make yourself one of these pallet busters, but made of wood, they don't really hold up very well.
Next method. A couple of 2x4s. Put those 2x4s underneath and pry up with those. Now, you're still going to have stuff breaking, but probably a little bit less. Fastest and easiest way is definitely sawzall. So basically, taking a pallet apart is not a very complicated process. It just takes a lot of elbow grease. So go out there, find you a pallet, take it apart, and make something cool. And post down in the comments what it is that you're making. I'd love to hear from you. You can choose from to take this apart.
Daddy.
My name's Simon Mack, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take apart a pallet.
Yay!
Thank you.
You see this here? So you always have to have some pliers to clip onto here, and then you get your hammer. And then oof, yeah, and it's really hard for you, but if you have a hammer like this, when you can do it. Like that. And then you come in, put your nail. Yeah. You want to take nails out of wood? You can use this, a hammer. Switch the wood wrong way around and hit.